I'm Anil Kumar. This video is for my student Raneen. She wants to know how to find interior angle of a regular pentagon. And what she has learned so far is that sum of angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. So let us write it down. What we know here is that sum of angles in a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. That is one thing known. And we need to find measure of interior angles of a regular pentagon. Now when we talk about regular pentagon, it means we have 5 sides. So what is a regular pentagon? So regular pentagon is a figure shown here which has 5 sides, 5 equal sides, as shown here. So all these sides are equal, right? Now in this figure, when all sides are equal, it also has 5 equal angles. I'm not writing interior, but I mean to say 5 equal interior angles. Right? All these angles inside are also equal. So all these angles are also equal. So there are 5 of these, and all 5 of them are equal angles. What we need to find is measure of one of these. So that is the question for us. How do we find it? Well, some of you can pause the video, try to answer the question, and then look into my suggestions. Now one of the methods is take a point inside the pentagon. It could be anywhere. Connect this point with the vertices, like I'm showing it here, right? So we can just connect with all the 5 vertices. So it doesn't really matter where this point is. So once you connect, what do you get? We actually get triangles 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So if I connect, I get 5 triangles. So once you connect all vertices with a point inside the pentagon, what do you get? You get 5 triangles. Do you see? These are the 5 triangles. Now, if there are 5 triangles, what is sum of interior angles? Angles could be written like this. Sum of interior angles of 5 triangles. Well, that should be 5 times 180 degrees. Since we know that sum of one triangle angles is 180 degrees. So if we have 5 such triangles, then it should be 5 times 180 degrees, right? So let's figure it out how much this is. 5 times 180 gives us 900 degrees. Okay, 900 degrees. So the sum of all the angles is 900 degrees. Now that includes angles on the corners, one of which we want to find, and also the angle in the center, right? So this angle also. Now what is this full circle? Full circle which I have drawn here, that is the central angle. Let me call this a central angle, is equals to 360 degrees, right? One full circle, as you know, is 360 degrees. Therefore, what is sum of these angles, vertices? So therefore, sum of angles at vertices is how much? That should be difference of 900 and 360, right? So there will be 900 minus in degrees 360 degrees. So let's use the calculator to figure it out. 900 take away 360 degrees gives us 540 degrees. Now that is sum of 5 angles. So how many of these angles are there? These are 5 angles in a pentagon, right? So these are 5 angles. Therefore, we can say measure of each angle, all are equal, right? So each angle is how much? it should be 540 degrees divided by 5. Correct? So let's divide 540 by 5. What do we get? Divided by 5 gives us 108 degrees. So each angle is actually 108 degrees, right? So that each angle is 108 degrees. So we have found our answer, that measure of each interior angle is 108 degrees, right? Each. All are equal, right? So that is how you can find measure of any angle for a regular pentagon. Now this method can be applied to any regular figure, two-dimensional figure. So for you the question is, find the measure of interior angle of a regular, let us say, heptagon. Now heptagon is a figure which has how many sides? 7 sides, right? So you can find heptagon, octagon, 8-sided figure, nonagon, 9-sided figure. Use the same strategy. So strategy here is that we know that sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. Regular pentagon has 5 equal sides, therefore 5 triangles. So sum of interior angles of 5 triangles will be 5 times 180 degrees, right? You take away the central angle, then you get the sum of all the angles at the vertex. Divided by 5 give you that of one of the vertex, right? So that is how you find it. I'm Anil Kumar, and I hope it makes some sense to you. You can always share and subscribe my videos. Thank you, and all the best.